12 Days of Makeup Surprises Reveal. This is number 10 or day 10. And let's go ahead and see what we got for day 10. I'm bad at tearing these open, y'all. This is a neutral color polish, and I'm not going to swatch it, but I will take a look at it, and you'll see what type of brush it has. A narrow brush. But there you go. There is the LA Colors neutral or nudie type polish. Okay, you guys, we're almost about to wrap this up for our 12 days of makeup surprises. And stay tuned tomorrow for day 11. Bye.